guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Halloween parade and I'm Rapunzel. Comment down what you are for Halloween and what you've been for trick-or-treating. I've been for trick-or-treating a ghost. Let's go to parade. Whee! Then we started our drive. It was a little cloudy but mostly sunny. There was a lot of people when we got there. This was the most crowded Six Flags trip I've ever went to. Then we got to our area where the parade would be happening. Ooh, I can't wait. Boo! Then the parade started. Woohoo! After that, all the ghosts came out of the parade and were like everywhere scaring us, but I wasn't scared. I was showing my brother how you should not be scared. After that, all the ghosts were here and then they were scaring everyone and like dancing and like having fun.
The choice is yours. Stay or go. But be warned, as now we begin Fright by Night. We've all gathered here before, many times, for 26 years of a little partying and scaring the living daylights out of mortals. The music, the screams, year after year. But tonight feels different, doesn't it? The trees feel restless. The air feels heavier. The shadows move like they're listening. You see, this year, I hosted a larger gathering. I extended my invite beyond the graveyard. Just as the clouds from out as come on away. Ghostly figures with a lifetime of stories lurking in the fall.
Then the people on the stage started doing some acting and it was so cool. I loved when the girl did some magic shows and danced at the same time. It was like the best thing. Oh my goodness. It's like they're fighting, but they're really like singing and acting.
The underworld births you in hatred. You were never meant to rise.
That's right. Doctor's right. I chose myself. And that is what makes me ruthless. No magical little book can teach what I have gained. You see, dark powers cannot be taught. They grow in hatred, misery, torment. My demonic infernal forces run deeper through the grounds of great adventure.
Then some other cool actors came up and danced a song. It was like the best thing. They were so in sync. Maybe I should try to do this dance one day. After that, we went in a little show called Unleash. I can't wait to see it. Let's go in. I was dressed as Rapunzel, and it was actually pretty cool because it was like I was a good guy, and then the others were like bad guys, and then I sat, and then it was so cool. Like, see, it's like a movie theater, like a real movie theater, and then the show was about to begin. It was really well decorated. Then we all thought that we couldn't see that much from the back, so we came in the front. Then the show was about to begin. Make sure to get your popcorn and juice, and let's watch. out. Then I gave you guys a quick glimpse of the new dance I was gonna do. Make sure to check YouTube Shorts. I also did a dance over here. Also, this was so fun to make for you guys. Then I changed to go on some rides. I was wearing a sweater and some shorts, like a skirt, because it was so cold. Then we entered Dream City. It was really well decorated with so tall zombies and, like scarecrows. We were just walking and looking at the decorations with our friends, and there were like lots of lights, lots of people, lots of smoke, and yeah, it was so cool. Then when we were going to the exit to go home, we passed by this beautiful / scary area, and they had like cars, coffins, a lot of spider webs, lots of lights too, and then in the car there were like skeletons. Halloween parade, and it's so cool. It's like really dark outside, and we're gonna go home. Thank you guys for watching.